This is a flight booking card UI that I designed earlier. What you're seeing now is the old version of the design. Even though all the required information was present, the layout lacked proper spacing, font sizes were inconsistent, and the icons were not aligned correctly. Because of this, the card looked outdated, and the overall user experience felt unbalanced. So, I decided to completely redesign this card. This is the new UI version, designed using Figma, with a clean, modern, and user-focused approach. The first thing I focused on was visual hierarchy. The destination name, San Francisco, is now clearly highlighted, making it instantly noticeable. Below that, Premium Economy is placed as secondary information, so the user can understand the travel class at a glance. The image section is placed at the top with smooth, rounded corners, giving the card a premium and modern feel. The price, from $324, is aligned neatly with an icon on the left, while the airport code, SFO, is positioned on the right to maintain balance. The Search Flight button is designed as a strong call to action. Its dark color naturally draws attention and clearly guides the user towards the next step. The heart icon is placed at the bottom right, representing the wish list feature without cluttering the card. Overall, this redesigned card uses better spacing, consistent typography, and clean icon alignment to create a modern, user-friendly flight booking UI concept. Compared to the old design, this version is more visually appealing, more intuitive, and ready for real-world product use. This is how I transformed an outdated card into a clean and modern UI design. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more UI and UX design content.